Okay, so okay, uh, uh, the time now is the New York session is going, and this is the trade I just took on the 5 minute time frame. Okay, and today is Friday. Okay, normally I don't trade on Fridays, but this is an A plus setup which occurred today, and we see our BOS on also the 7 p.m. onwards. Okay, and and what and yeah, I am now I will break down this why this trade was taken by me. Okay, and if we break down, so let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Okay, this is the PMI news, or you can say the non-farm payrolls news happened, and this moment was occurred today at the 6 p.m. and like this here, and there is value gap like here, this one from this low to this, sorry, from this high to this low. This one is 4 hourly, this one is 4 hour time frame value gap. Okay, and this one is 1 day value gap. Okay, and like I will targeting up to this, I will target, and so I'm what going to tell now. Okay, and this one is a value gap, and this one is one of sort of buy side liquidity, you can say. And but in the hourly time frame, okay, I mean in the 1 hour time frame, if we see, okay, there is an value gap. Okay, here it is, but the market didn't tap into that. Okay, like here if we see this one, this is the value gap. Okay, if I will delete this, here we can check this one is a value gap. Okay, this one is a value gap of 1 hour time frame, which the market didn't also tap onto this, and market just tap on the 4 hour time frame value gap and sweep the buy sell liquidity here, like, and just it so I just took the trade because I there are some reasons behind of my trade. First reason is the price swept the buy sell liquidity. Second is it is on the it is on the where 4 hour time frame value gap. It tapped onto that. Okay, and like here, if I will show again to you guys here, like this one, from this one to here. Okay, so here you can check the price sweep and tap into the 4 hour value gap. Okay, so today is Friday. I don't trade on Friday, but I just took a trade normally because our criteria meets here. And the third reason is why I just took the trade, because there is a breakup structure happened in the like our time frame, like in the 7 p.m. onwards. After 7 p.m. onwards, we want a breakup structure in the 5 minute time frame, which has happened. And now for now I'm just targeting to this low, and otherwise we will target to like here. Okay, but we can't tell about the price. Tomorrow is the Saturday, and the price can be here and here, from like it will go up like here, then price will obviously what range, it will be like range. So I'm just targeting little bit like here. Okay, it's 1 is to 2, 1 is to 2 you can say, or it's 1 is to, sorry, 1 is to 3 RR. Yeah, we can say this. Yeah, yeah. Okay, and the trade is going well, and let's put my take profit here, profit level, copy, and okay, I'm only risking 0.3%. Okay, and let's modify order profit for the, okay. Uh, so let's wait for the price to move, and let's see. it is the market where we are only the risk managers, and it's all random, and the price can move like this, okay, like this, hit my SL, tap into this value gap, and it will like this, okay. It can happen, okay, it can happen. Otherwise price can happen from, like, it will sweep this and it just moves to like here, and then it will like to bit here. It is the one daily time frame value gap, okay. You can say high time frame value gap. This one is, this is liquidity out there, okay. And I don't know, anything can happen, okay. And we are ready to react to it, okay. If the outcome if the outcome will be negative or positive, and we are ready to take it, okay. And we are not like the beginner players, like, oh, I just wrong on this trade. He just uh, like he just put his head down, and we will never like that. And we are trading from 1 year plus about, yeah. So okay, let's wait for this trade. And okay. Okay, so it's been quite after 2 hours of taking this trade. So after 2 hours, the first my first point is today is Friday, okay, and I will not going to target till this much, okay. So I will get by, so I will get extra swap fees. So that's why I'm just targeting to this recent low, okay, and my entry is there. So price is in here, and the time is 9:50, okay, 9:20. The uh, price is going like here. The price can go to here also. It uh, it can like hit my SL and where go to hourly value gap, and so we can't predict. And I think I just done a mistake or something like that, because I just didn't follow my setup, because our rule is saying that to enter a trade before by confirming the hourly time frame zone, okay. So here we just so here I just this trade take on the 4 hour value gap. So this quite hits me a lot. Yeah, I just take this trade because the first reason is the news, okay. Here you can check the non-farm payrolls and unemployment news that take the it heavily impact the market to to the direction up, and we here the price get tagged into the high time frame zone, and this is the 4 hour and this is the hourly value gap. But the market maximum time obeys the hourly zone. After that we can enter to what 5 minute time frame, okay. If we are if we are entering into 5 minute time frame, then we should obey, or we should follow hourly zones, okay, rather than following the 4 hour zones, okay. So this is today, yeah, we can't say this is my mistake or this, but I'm saying that I just didn't follow my setup, because my setups always says that a high time frame zone, like 4 hour or 1 day zone, we, after getting the confirmation from the 4 hour or 1 day zone, we should get the confirmation of also hourly zone, then we should enter on the 5 minute time frame. Then after we will follow our criteria, like the breakup structure criteria or the fair value gap criteria, okay. So it's okay. And it's also Friday, okay, it's Friday. I normal don't trade on Friday, because there is very less volatility on the market, but I trade because today is the high PM news was there, and also by the help of news, the price moved to our zone, okay, to this high time frame zones, so we can target till like here. But I'm not targeting because today is Friday and Saturday is the market was closed on was close. The market will close on Saturday, so that's why I'm just not short for like this much. Okay, so let's see what's going to happen, and I will put the screenshot. I will put the screenshot of this trade result. Okay, so till then, bye bye. Okay, and good night.